17 members from both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, along with the two parliamentary standing committees, have been nominated to receive the prestigious Sansad Ratna Awards 2025. Nominations were made by the jury committee chaired by the Sri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir, Chairman of the National Commission for Backward Classes, a constitutional authority holding the rank of Union Cabinet Ministers. The award will be presented at the 15th edition of the Sansad Ratna Award ceremony, which is scheduled for the last week of July 2025 in New Delhi. This year, 17 individuals will be conferred the award, including 4 special awardees nominated by the chairman of the jury committee for their outstanding and consistent contribution to the parliamentary democracy. And coming to the states, this year Maharashtra bagged 7 awards and the states of Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and Rajasthan bags 2 awards each, and the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam and Odisha bagged 1 award each. And coming to the parliamentary standing committees, additionally 2 departmentally related standing committees, that is Standing Committee on Finance and the Standing Committee on Agriculture, will also be conferred this award for their exceptional performance based on their reports presented to the parliament. Now coming to the background of the Sansad Ratna Awards. Following the suggestion of the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, these Sansad Ratna Awards were instituted in the year 2010 by the Prime Point Foundation and the E-Magazine Presents. Also, Dr. Kalam inaugurated the first award ceremony in May 2010 in Chennai. Notably, the first recipient of the Sansad Ratna Award was Sri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir. These awards will be presented on behalf of the civil society. As of 2024, 125 awards have been conferred across 14 award ceremonies. Jury committee, comprising of the award-winning distinguished parliamentarians and the representatives of the civil society, nominates the parliamentarians based on their performance. The performance indicators include the number of initiated debates, private members' bill introduced and the questions raised. And this data is officially sourced from the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha secretariats and also the PRS Legislative Research.